Hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest with the Travel with Clem Brands. Today we are looking at a happiness engineer position at Automatic. Automatic is a company that I have covered on this platform before, and they hire a lot remotely. They are currently prioritizing applications from candidates in the time zone from UTC 0 to UTC plus 12. And I think the EST time zone should be falling within this. Yeah. So in general, a typical day involves being an active member of a global team that provides 24/7 support via live chat, tickets, one-on-one screen share sessions and forums, helping people use Automatic's products, troubleshooting, and building a community of support by sharing knowledge and helping team members around the world. So for you to succeed in this position, you need to have a high proficiency of knowledge with WordPress, experience providing technical support to customers, particularly via live chat, solid experience troubleshooting technical issues, in-depth experience installing, configuring, and troubleshooting WordPress plugins. Happiness engineers must be fluent and eloquent in written English. And if you know any additional language, it will definitely work in your favor. So they tell you more about the application process, and they say that they are currently reviewing applications as they receive them and respond to all candidates no later than August 15 to let you know if you'll be moving forward. So I really encourage you to apply for this job this week. When you see this, apply immediately if you meet the requirements. Okay. Simply for you to apply for the job, sorry, I'm scrolling. Include your first and last name, email address, location where you are, upload your resume or your CV, rate your experience with WordPress, and answer the different application questions and click on submit. Voila. If you have any questions about this job, let me know. Feel free to drop a comment in the description box, in the comment section, of this video, and my team and I will do our very best to answer your questions so that you can submit your application within the right time frame. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.